Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting parts and making the first connections. Mount the Arduino, L298N, battery, motors, and the HC05. Connect motor outputs to L298N and route ENA/ENB to PWM pins on the Arduino so you can vary speed. Then, once done, wire Bluetooth RX to Arduino TX and TX to RX, but use a resistor divider on the HC05 RX line to protect. You now focus on firmware. Open the Arduino IDE, set board and port, and write a sketch that reads serial commands from the Bluetooth module. Use PWM to control speed and digital pins to set motor direction. This separates the how, PWM, and Y smooth control. Once uploaded, test using the serial monitor with simple F, B, L, R, S commands, then pair your phone and send the same commands. Make sure to debounce or ignore stray bytes to avoid twitching. You finish by mounting everything cleanly. Fasten the Arduino and motor driver, tie down cables, and enclose the HC05 away from spinning parts. Once done, calibrate motor PWM range so full speed isn't required to overcome friction. This improves battery life and control. If the car is unresponsive, check the basics. Confirm a common ground, ensure HC05 is paired and its LED blinks. Verify TX/RX wiring and the resistor divider on HC05RX to avoid voltage issues. This single check solves most failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.